So this is how to verify your KYC on Iceman network. Okay, so let's open to the Iceman network and see over here. I wanted to restart the 24-hour mine session, but still gives me the chance to do the KYC. Okay, so you can take time and read through all this. You see KYC step 1. So we have the badges in the KYC. The step 1, I think, is the facial recognition, and you can see over here as in for a seamless experience, we are adding face authentication. This step acts as your early step KYC or early step number 1 KYC, whatever, preparing you for a streamlined verification for the future mainnet. Confirm your identity today to ensure a smooth journey. Okay, so I'll just make sure I click on, or I check this box and click on confirm. Okay, so I'll click on confirm. Take time and read through. Okay, so it says here you can make sure that whatever you are providing here is the same details and the same everything that you'll be providing in the next future or the KYC step 2. So this is the first step of KYC. The step 2 will come in the next future or the next moment. So let me click on continue. So here you select the country you are from. So I'm from Ghana. I'll select Ghana over here. I'll search Ghana and tap on Ghana. Okay, I'll select continue from here. So okay, camera permission, they will ask you to permit them to use your camera for the facial recognition or facial what's up. So you click on it, you let them. So want to keep phone straight without looking into the camera. So I think it seems you must snap. Okay, the button over here, this button means that you must snap. Okay, so I think this must be a redundant thing. Okay, so I must remove my cap and make sure everything is okay. So we try. Wait, let me clean up the surface, this phone screen. Now I think I'm better. Ready? Okay, I think this one is quite sounding and okay. So I will click on the done button over here. You wait for authentications. It says KYC motion verification. Good job, you have completed the first step by taking a selfie. Now let's proceed by following the display motion to continue your KYC process. Okay, so that's it. So let me click on the continue button and let's go again. It seems okay. This is me. Let's start. So this is me. Let's start. Okay. So you do exactly what they are trying to show you over here. So whenever you have this, you try again. Okay, so click on the try button over here. Okay, I think it needs a bright light so as you can see, it's been successfully. So as you can see, it's been successfully done. Authentication successfully. Thank you for confirming your identity. Check-in session will start now. So now that I'm done, I'll click on the done button over here so that I can start mining for the check-in session. Okay, so as you can see, I'm having 23 hours 23 hours 59 minutes, which is equivalent to 24 hours, right? So this is how simple the KYC, the step 1 of KYC looks like. So when the step 2 comes in, I'll make sure to alert you guys on. So do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, like and share to friends and family, and go to the description down below. You find most legit links on and other videos about this ICE network mining app. This is a great and good application. Yes, I'll tell you the truth, it's very good for you to join. So peace, subscribe, bye bye.